Let's take a look at the application we're going to create. So this is the project. It's basically a feet to meter conversion application. So the idea is you enter a value in feet. Say for example, you enter 6 feet and you want to convert it to meters. You click on the convert button. It does the conversion and formats it to 4 decimal places. And then you can clear the input just by clicking on the clear button, and then you can enter another value, let's say 5.2. You click calculate, it does the calculation, pops the meter equivalent in there, and then you can clear. To exit the application, you just click on this X to X out. So that's basically what we're going to create. Thank you so much. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us on this programming journey. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest programming courses, coding tutorials, and tech discussions. Learning and growing together is what makes our community thrive. So, don't forget to ring the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and empowering aspiring developers like you. If you enjoyed this course, please share it with your friends and fellow programmers. Let's spread the love of coding and create a community of learners who inspire and uplift one another.